Okay. Here, if you see that little ring around it, that means it is fertile. Okay, we're gonna look with this one. Here is another one. Do you see that ring right around here? That is fertile. This one is already dark. You see that half of that means that it is fertile. Okay, and you see how this one have nothing? This one is a gamble. I don't think this one is fertile, but no, I'm not going to gamble on this one. So that is a no-no. This one, oh, there's a line right here, right across. Right here, that means that there's a baby forming inside. Okay. Oh, you see that? Right around this dark mark. There is life in this baby. This one has life also. See that line through? It's a little harder to see these because they have the brown running through them. This one definitely have life also. Yes. This one, I'm kind of scared on this one. Yeah, maybe. This one, yep, there's life on this one. This one, let me see. Yep, this is pretty dark, so it's kind of hard to tell. Oh, yep, there's life. There's the two different shades color, so yep. There's life forming. This one do have life too, and look, you can actually see the vein.